Hello everyone, how are you today? Today I want to introduce the web browser to you. And now let's start it. First, what is the web browser? It is a bridge between you and the internet world. You can connect it to the internet through the web browser. Then you can search anything like information, photographs, videos, and any type of message you want to get. There are some types of the web browser. For example, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox, and so on. Their common function is searching. Difference of them is just layout. And I will introduce Google Chrome most, because there is a lot of advantages of Google Chrome. First, it's used most widely, and it is convenient and easy to control. The most important one is cooperate with Google account can use additional applications that Google provides to us, such as paperwork, functions, Google Drive, email, and so on. And now you already know many advantages of Google Chrome. Next thing, I will teach you how to create a Google account. First, open your Google Chrome into the web app. You can see a sign in button at the upper right corner. Just click it. Then click the button right here to create your account. You should choose the first option and it is only for you to use. Finally, fill your own information in the blanks. There are your first name, next name, and the username is your account name. After you finish to create account, you will use this name to log in your Google account. Last but not least is your password. If all of the blanks you are already finished, congratulations, your account is created. Let's see the simple video. First, click Sign In and choose Create an account and choose For Myself and type your first name, your last name, and type your username and set your password. And just click Next, and your account is created. Now it's your turn to create your own Google account. This video is finished. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.